Hi, here's another video. Got this doormat, and as you can see here, it requires a bit of cleaning. So what I'm going to do is give it a clean today. Let's get a little closer to it. So what I'm going to do is take it out the back and give it a clean. Just pop it outside and just give it a little closer look. See all the dirt and footprints on it, or boot prints. So first thing I'm going to do is going to soak the mat. It's got a rubber backing on the back. Let's get the whole thing wet and leave it for a bit, leave it for a couple of minutes. And then I'm going to use this flash floor cleaner. Just pour a little bit on the top there, and then get my old scrubbing brush and give the whole thing a good scrub in different directions. Speed this section up a little bit for you. As you can see there, I'm just scrubbing it in different directions. Just trying to work the dirt out. Okay, so now that I've got this far, it's just a case of giving it a rinse. You can probably see some of the dirt coming out in the soap. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just I'm just going to hang the rug up. You get rid of the dirt there. Just hang it up here and just give it a blast with my jet wash. You see me just blasting the remaining dirt and soap in a downwards direction. I'm just giving it a final blast here. And once that's done, I'm just going to leave it to drain off. Okay, most of the water's drained off now. So what I'm going to do now is stick it on the washing line to get rid of the rest of the water. Okay, once it's fully drained, I'll took it inside to dry out because it's a cold day. And let me just show you here. That's the mat nice and clean again. Just put it back into its place. And here I'll just show you what it looked like before. And this is what it looks like now. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.